baking soda on your bed and see what happens next. Since we realize the hidden door that mattresses have, we should not expect more than to realize this incredible solution. Maybe we don't want to disclose it, or we just don't think about it. But the mattress is full of germs and dirt. We will explain here how to clean it as easily as possible. We are habituated only to changing the sheets of the bed, and to wash them. And our entire life we have thought that this is adequate. Also, we think that the mattress is clean because only the bedsheet was dirty to keep the mattress cleaned. But the truth is that after using a long time our mattress becomes a source of dirt. And the particles of sweat, body fluids, dust, and dirt pass through the bed sheet and end up in the mattress. It's also true that it takes a long time for the mattress to get dirty, and rarely some of us do clean the mattress. So, we should learn how to clean the mattress. How to clean a mattress. Use a vacuum cleaner to clean it at first, and then sprinkle the mattress with baking soda, or pour baking soda on your mattress. This is a very simple but effective trick to disinfect the mattress in which you sleep regularly. Baking soda will kill the bacteria. Now vacuum the dust of baking soda, and then you can spray the mattress with water to which a few drops of essential oil have been added so that it has a pleasant smell. That's all. I request 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give I like.